Good morning everyone. It's a rainy day today, so hindi makagala. Dito lang sa house. Actually, hindi din makalaba kasi hindi pwedeng maglaba kasi ulan. So, walang sampayan sa loob. So, I'm thinking making a new video for my new 60 trendy wedges sandals. So, uh, uh, I just put ribbon on my hair. I just borrow Wakana's ribbon. Kasi, para konti matakpan yung face ko. Super taba ako. I gain again more kilos. My God. Anyway, I already admit that mataba ako. And I think diet, it's a very hard task for me na hindi ko talaga yan hindi ko talaga ma-promise na I can promise that hindi ako kakain pag may magustuhan akong pagkain kasi I love food very much. So parang every subo ng pagkain talagang hindi ko talaga pinagsisihan yan kasi I love eating, I love foods. But I will try my best to lose weight little because it's for my health too. So we need to stay healthy and yeah, beauty always. Anyway, I have on hand sandal now na natira. So this is 6 size 6 and 5 inches. 3 pairs of size 6 and 5 inches. So this one, this one. Are you iko? Ami yanda na. Okay? Ami 59 no? So my baby boy every day he asking me to going out. Going are you? So we can go out today. I'm not feel good. So this is the sandals. This is our 60 trendy wedges sandal for summer. At on hand to ngayon. So these 3 pairs. So if you like, contact me or I can send this anywhere you are. So I have so many. Baby boy, what are you doing? What? I have so many. There's so many style on my Facebook. Follow me on Facebook, Miss Red Tamura. There's so many styles, colors there, and gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kahaba ang 3 inches at ang 5 inches. Mayroon na nga yung new wedges high till 6 inches at makikita nyo doon sa Facebook ko kasi mayroon na akong pinopost na new guidelines of my 60 trendy wedges sandals na sizes guidelines. This is mine. So this is my 5 inches high na 60 trendy wedges. At this is the 3 inches. Pag hindi kayo masyadong mahilig sa matataas na wedges, very carry to wear 3 inches and very sexy at talagang makikita na may designs talaga. So the wedges is 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang 6 inches na ngayon. So you can choose the wedges you want, you desire. So this is the 3 inches and this is the 5 inches. So I think 3 inches is more it's sexy to wear sa mahilig sa flat kasi para mayroon din kayong posture pag sinusuot nyo. But I assure you, kahit mahaba 6 or 5 inches to, talagang hindi kayo napapagod. It's very comfortable to wear because magaan. Okay, baby, wait. What? Iko, ja, kigay ro. So, I think he's not stop collecting me to going Arya. So thank you for always watching, guys. Hope you like this video today, and I love Wakanda ribbon. It's very cute. Thank you for always watching, guys. I love you always, and follow me on Facebook, Miss Red Tamora, and yeah, let's be healthy and beauty always. Diet. Paano ba kita gawin? Ang hirap mong gawin. And